I just know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, I just know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, I just know. Rufus boy, let me love me. Caught up in my
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So in today's video, we are here. I'm getting ready to go into the Dollar Tree first to work on a surprise that I am working on for my husband. It is our 2-year wedding anniversary. If you haven't seen our wedding, or if you wanted to see our 1 year, how we spent our 1-year anniversary, I will leave it in the iCard above. But yes, so April 22nd makes it 2 years that my husband and I have been married. So yes, so I am at the Dollar Tree right now because I am currently working on a project for him. If they don't have everything that I need, I'm going to walk over to the Target, which is literally 2 doors down. So I said I'm going to bring you guys along with me for the process. And yeah, so let's go in the store. Oh, and if you guys are looking at my nails, yes, I went all out the box. I went all outside the box this time for my fill-in. And if you see, my friend came to visit, but she just respectful. But I got the Crayola box nails, and then I got it in the matte as well. So I got the orange, the yellow, the blue, the red, the green. And then in this hand, I got the red, the green, orange, yellow, and the blue. So yeah, I basically stepped outside the box for my nails, and I got it done with the matte finish. I actually love my nails. My husband say they look like clown nails, but you can call it what you want. But I love my nails. I love stepping outside the box. It's a good conversation piece, okay? Let's talk about that for a second. Let's take a minute for my nails, because this is a great conversation piece. So we're going to be colorful, okay? But anyway, yeah, so I'm sitting here rambling now, but let me go in here and get the items that I am going to need, and I'm going to bring you guys along with it. So let's go. Okay guys, so I got all of these candies so far. So I got a Snick 100 grand, Butterfinger, a Milky Way, Good and Plenty, Sweet Tart, Hot Tamale, and Reese Pieces. So now I need to get this poster board right here, which is the trifold. Get that. And I need a black marker. I need a black Sharpie, preferably. They don't have black. All they got is this orange, red, blue, and no black. And I need a black Sharpie. Maybe I'll just do the blue. Yeah, I'll just do the blue. Move out the way. Hey. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. They are beautiful. Huh?
Is that a gift from somebody?
Yeah, I think my husband sent these. Today's our anniversary.
Oh.
Boy, if you don't get...
Yeah, so he sent them for me.
He's not in the doghouse then, huh?
No, he's not in the doghouse. Thank you.
Take care.
He sent me some flowers. Terrence, give me a vase. Oh, I can put them in this vase right here.
Jigga. You should have both of them.
Huh?
You should have flowers in both vases.
Y'all ain't hot? I'm hot.
Nah, you just excited. You doing it for me. The best cameraman on earth. What?
Well, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. Here. Let me try more. I'll have a bit of base. Let's put it like that. And then, I'll put it. Here, put the water right here. Put the water right here. Y'all, I was in the process of working on my project, and my husband had flowers sent to me, and these tulips came, and they are so beautiful. All right, so what I have is So I went to the Dollar Tree and I also went to my local gas station to get my candy bars. So I'm basically gonna write him a note. I'm gonna basically tell a story using these candy bars. So now, hopefully you guys can see me. Alright, so this is, let me show y'all what I have so far. So I got the Butterfinger Milky Way Payday, a pack of extra gum, Sweet Tarts, 100 grand, Snickers, the Take 5, and Mr. Good Bar, Hot Tamale, Kit Kat, or whatchamacallit, Reese's Pieces, and Good and Plenty. So I got my paper right here, and my pen, and my poster, and I got my tape over there. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but the tape is right there. So what I'm about to do is write my note on here. First thing first, to make sure I get my outline right, and then I'm going to take everything and put it on the poster. So let's do this. Alright guys, so this is what I came up with. It may be kind of corny and cheesy, but I don't care. But let me actually stand it up so we can actually see what it looked like. Well, I'm gonna just scoot it back so y'all can see. It says, Byron, you are my Mr. Good Bar. I just want to take 5 minutes and tell you how I feel about you. Oh, how I love you. When I first met you, I thought you were a hot tamale. I could not allow my Butterfinger let you get away. You probably are snickering. I had the ing over there. Probably can't see it. I got the ing over there. I'm gonna slide that over. So you probably are snickering at this, LOL, but you give me good and plenty. You are worth more than 100 grand. Even better than payday. You know I'm so extra when it comes to you and my whatchamacallit. You are the best husband in the Milky Way. I love you to Reese's Pieces. Byron, my sweet tart. Don't be cheesing too hard at all these sweets because later tonight you have a special treat. I should have put love your wife. I'm gonna put love your wife. Alright, so that is what my little project looks like. And I am so proud of it. I think it looks pretty good. Happy anniversary. Read what it say. You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
It's something different, right? You got a special treat. I had to figure out a way to incorporate a Kit Kat. You know, I had to get Google to help me break that all the way down.
I see it.
All right, well, he thought my car was, huh?
That ain't all of them,
No, I got 2 of them separated over there, right there, and then I got another one in that vase over there in the living room. But the other 2 is over here, and I had them on the table right here, but I was doing the card, the poster thing on the card. I mean, poster board on the table, so I moved them over on the buffet for right now.
What you said?
TJ outside. All right, guys. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this quick short vlog of me preparing this card for my husband. We actually have dinner reservations for this evening at what's the name of the place, babe? What's the name of the place? At Sullivan's Steakhouse. So it's a very upscale, fancy restaurant. So I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.